Welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we will explore how to build a PDF chatbot using LlamaIndex, and we will be using simple directory reader, that is SDR of LlamaIndex, to read the PDF. So LlamaIndex, it is a framework for building contextual augmented LLM application. So we are using this LlamaIndex, this framework, and we will be using free API from chatgroup. So I will be providing a link to create API key. Just create an API key from here. Another API key that we have to create, that is of Hugging Face. So we have to create a Hugging Face HF token. So just to create the HF token from here, I will be sharing this link also in the description. So create two keys, first from Hugging Face and another from chat group, and store that key. So LlamaIndex is a popular library that for building detailed augmented generation system, makes it easier to integrate PDF document parsing. So we'll be exploring LlamaIndex in upcoming videos also. So this is the first tutorial of this. So now let's deep dive into this. So first of all, what you have to do is to install the library, that is pip install LlamaIndex, and I will be sharing this notebook file in the description, so you can use that also. So first of all, what we are doing is keep installing LlamaIndex, the first LlamaIndex, then we are installing LlamaIndex embedding Hugging Face, as we are using Hugging Face embedding model, and for LLMs LlamaIndex LLMs group. Okay, just run this cell. I have already run this cell as it takes time to download all these things. So after installing all this, just use any of the PDF you want to use. Now I'm importing all the things, that is vector store index, simple directory reader, Hugging Face, embeddings, settings, group. I'll be telling all the things in the later video. After this, I have stored my HF token and Grok API key in secrets. So for that, whenever you want to take that HF token and Grok API key, you can directly use userdata.get and take the name of Grok API key. So you will get that thing. Just run this cell also. Okay. So now let's start explaining. I will explaining you the code. So first of all, I have loaded the Grok, and the model that I'm using is Llama 3.3 70 billion versatile. You can use any of the model from the Grok cloud. As you can see in documentation, there are different models available. You can use the model whatever you want to use. There will be some limits based on this, as we are using free version of it. So that, and then we are passing API key. Then the main functionality of LlamaIndex is that it has a settings. So we have to just do settings.llm equal to llm. So now in every functionality of this code, it will be automatically fetch. The LLM will automatically fetch from the setting. You don't have to explicitly call LLMs everywhere wherever the LLM has to be called. So just do that. And in Hugging Face embeddings also, we'll be directly doing settings.embed model. So we are putting embed model in settings also. And for that, we are using all mini LM L6v2. For this far, it is a very nice transformer model, sentence embedding model. So just do this, it will be downloaded. As you can see, it is downloading 90 MB 3. Okay. So, and then the main thing came here is take any PDF. I am using this PDF. There is a chatgpt.pdf. In that table of contents, like what is ChatGPT, who created, how does work, how is trained, and different. So I am loaded this into this PDF folder. So what does this line means is we are loading from PDF directory. As you can see, we have put a chatgpt.pdf in this PDF directory, and we are just doing dot load data. So all the data will be loaded in document. So this line creates an instance of SDR, which is a tool from LlamaIndex library. So, and the dot load data, this function loads the PDF file from the specified directory and process them into a format. It is usually a list of documents. Okay. So This is the main thing. As I said, it is a list of like say documents of zero. So we will be accessing the first part of the, like as you can see, there is ID and embedding none, metadata, page one, file name, file path, file type, file size, creation date, and there will be much more. Okay, there will be data here also, as you can see, text. So the first will be having that thing. Now we have created a vector store index also. So from document, so this creates a vector store index from the loaded documents. The index is built by converting the documents into numbers. It means we can say into vectors, that is a numerical representation, and it uses a embedding model that we have already mentioned here. As you can see, model name. So this embedding model will be used for to generate a vectors from text. So this vector index allows you to efficiently search for relevant documents based on the similarity. So it helps in faster retrieval of documents during search or query answering task. Okay. Now the main thing, we are creating a query engine. As you can see, index is query engine. So this converts the vector store index into a query engine. A query engine allows us to query the index data, that is documents, by transforming a user's natural language query into a form that can search by the index documents. Okay, so the query engine uses the vector index to find the most relevant document based on the input query. As you can see, I have asked which dataset is used to train YOLO v7. So this question is not from the PDF. As you can see, this question, the PDF is of ChatGPT. So in this, nothing is then of YOLO, as you can see. So it has given answer. There is no information about YOLO v7 training data set. The context only discuss ChatGPT's creator, how it's work. So it is very perfect. Okay, so now let's ask the question that answer has been in the PDF. So like, how is ChatGPT trained? So it is trained using a variant of transform architecture for predicting words. So let's see, that is how is it, like page number 5. Okay, so copious amount of conversation fine tuned the specific model. As you can see, we got the same answer whatever that we want. Now let's ask how many tokens are approximately equivalent to collect the words of Shakespeare. First I will show you the answer of this. As you can see, so I have highlighted already. So it is about 9 lakh words or 1.2 million tokens. So now let's run this thing. So the query, as you can see, 1.2 million tokens. So the printing response is just printing out the response answer that is getting from the query engine.query. So that's it for today. In this video, we explored how to load documents, create a vector store, and query it to retrieve relevant information. So this approach is useful for building intelligent search systems, document retrieval, and AI-driven Q&A applications. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more AI related content. Let me know in comments if you have any questions or if you want me to cover specific topics. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.